Over $400 million has gone missing from Crypto.com, and some crypto experts believe that Crypto.com and Gate.io could potentially collapse just like FTX. Are the rumors true, or is this just a lot of misunderstanding? In today's emergency video, we're going to be talking all about Crypto.com, my own personal thoughts, so make sure to inflate that like button because CRO and this entire cryptocurrency space needs your support now more than ever. So let's inflate that like button and let's get started. Today we have an absolute emergency with Crypto.com, and in the rest of the video I'm going to be sharing with you all of the news and updates that we have. Now, if you do or do not know, I have been an ambassador with Crypto.com for over a year, and I've been an ambassador because I believe in the products, I believe in this company, but we have some breaking news that I thought you should know about absolutely right here, right now. But please do understand that this is sponsored content and that yes, I am an ambassador, but I will share with you my true and honest thoughts of what's happening right now with Crypto.com. Now, first, according to this article, cryptocurrency experts allege that Gate.io and Crypto.com could collapse just like FTX. Was this just an accident, or do they really have proof of reserves? Now, Crypto.com's cold storage revealed a suspicious transfer of 320,000 ETH, which was worth more than $404 million to Gate.io. Now, the CEO of Crypto.com assured traders that the transfer was accidental and that funds have moved back into a new cold storage address. But experts believe that this transfer helped Gate.io show proof of reserves of users' funds shortly after the transfer. Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX exchange collapsed just a few days ago, highlighting the importance of proof of reserves for centralized exchanges. Now, Gate.io did complete its proof of reserves audit shortly after, arousing some suspicion for crypto investors. If you did or did not know, Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency app. Over 50 million users are buying and selling and trading over 250 different cryptocurrencies at true cost. They also have the Crypto.com Visa debit cards, and this was honestly why I was really attracted to Crypto.com in the first place. I actually have really enjoyed using my card, and through the last year of owning this card, I have not had a single issue, but again, that's just been my personal experience. So let's get into the details, and at the end of the video, I will share with you my own personal thoughts of this, but there is some really important key details that you must be aware of right now, especially if you hold any of these cryptocurrency coins. First, Kris, the Crypto.com CEO, said that the ETH transfers that generated so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt and speculation on Twitter today were made over 3 weeks ago on October 21st to Crypto.com's whitelisted corporate address at Gate.io. Crypto.com proceeded to withdraw the funds back to the cold wallets over the following days, and the entirety of the ETH was successfully withdrawn to Crypto.com and returned to cold storage. Gate.io also confirmed this information, and a snapshot of the POR audit was taken on October 19th. He also said fund movements from Crypto.com custody systems are only possible between approved and whitelisted addresses attached to their cold wallets, their hot wallets, and their corporate accounts at a third-party exchange. However, in this particular case, the whitelisted address belonged to one of our corporate accounts in a third-party exchange instead of a cold wallet. We have since strengthened our processing and system to manage these internal transfers. That's all there is. Our systems are operating normally. And according to Daniel Leclerc, this is what Crypto.com has on their current balance sheet. As you can see, they have over $500 million worth of SHIB coin, and it is kind of unclear why exactly they hold this. Now, truthfully, I believe they hold so much SHIB because a lot of retail traders use Crypto.com, and this is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies today. He did mention, though, that this is still unclear, and no other exchange has nearly the concentration of SHIB in regards to its users' holdings. But as you can see based on this chart, they have Ethereum worth over $355 million, SHIB worth $300 million, Bitcoin worth $300 million, and more SHIB worth over $200 million for the total of $500 million. Now, they also have many other cryptocurrency coins. And if I'm being honest, it looks to me like everything is still okay with Crypto.com at the time of this recording. Now, those who have invested in the CRO token, yesterday we saw the price plummet more than 24% and the CRO token sitting right around the 6-cent mark. So make sure to follow me over on Twitter as well as Instagram at Joe Parys. All the links are down below, as well as over on TikTok for more time-sensitive details and alerts. Now today, now more than ever, it's so important to educate yourself with cryptocurrency and know exactly what's going on, and you must take your security very seriously. This is why I've created my online class to educate those who are interested in learning and also those who are holding significant amounts of their money and wealth in crypto. I made this video about security and why it is so important to understand that cryptocurrency is your own money. I've also taught you how to secure your money and then how not to get scammed in this lesson. I'm not here to sell you my online class. This is just me educating and showing you that those who have taken the extra steps to educate themselves and spend the money are now fully in control of their cryptocurrency coins and don't have to worry about whether or not their money is safe. Now, if you're new to cryptocurrency, please understand that just keeping your cryptocurrency on an exchange does not mean that it is yours and is secure. As we saw with FTX and a lot of these other exchanges, they can collapse and go to zero at any time. This is risky, and I'm not saying that Crypto.com is going to do this. What I am saying is it's better to be safe than sorry, and no matter what, having a device like Ledger, which allows you to securely secure your crypto, is something you need to take seriously and learn about. Again, if you are interested in learning, I have a whole video tutorial showing you exactly what I use, why I use it, and then how not to lose your funds and or get scammed. And these are some essential cryptocurrency security tools that I am personally using. Now, what is my honest opinion with Crypto.com? Am I just being biased because I am an ambassador? What is my true feeling right now at this time? First and foremost, I think it's so important that you secure your cryptocurrency at all costs, no matter what. Using cold storage, like I shared with you with a Ledger, and never keeping any more cryptocurrency on an exchange than you ever have to is always the smartest and best decision ever. In my opinion, you should only use centralized exchanges to swap and trade your cryptocurrency coins when you want to buy and sell. From then, you should send them off of the exchange, giving you full custody of your crypto. Now, why I think Crypto.com is in the spotlight right now is because of what happened with FTX, and everyone is scared right now no matter what. And the truth is, there is some real fear, and there should be some real accountability here. And between $1 and $2 billion of FTX customers' funds disappearing and billions of dollars more being wiped away in crypto, I think it only makes sense that you do your research and then you absolutely secure your cryptocurrency coins at all costs at this time. I believe Crypto.com will come out of this, and I do not think they've actually done anything wrong at this time. Now, we do not know all of the information, everything that happens on the back end of Crypto.com, but from being an ambassador with the company and being around this community, I believe that they do have everything under control, and this is just a short-term scare. Again, I'm not recommending that you buy Crypto.com tokens or that you keep any tokens on Crypto.com at this time. It's always better to be safe rather than sorry. But I do think once everything clears up and we have more information, Crypto.com will be just fine. And who knows, this could be the absolute bottom of the market today, and this could be an opportunity for those who are looking to invest in Crypto.com. Remember, there are always risks in crypto, and this is why you should never risk more than you can ever afford to lose. And remember that I am not a financial advisor, just a YouTuber sharing with you opportunities that cryptocurrency has to offer. I will continue to keep you updated with Crypto.com each and every month here on this channel with short form, long form videos, and many other updates. One of the things that I really do like about Crypto.com is their metal Visa debit cards, but they do require you to lock up CRO tokens. I remember literally 1 year ago when I ended up buying my tokens, I've had them locked up ever since, and I've just enjoyed the rewards of the cards. And if you're willing to take the risk, you can get some pretty awesome rewards with these cards and benefits. As you can see, they give you free Spotify and Netflix for up to 6 months, as well as airport lounge access. And for me, somebody who travels all the time, this was really, really awesome to have for the cards. Again, it's totally up to you whether or not you would like to participate. I'm never here to tell you what to do, just share my own experiences with cryptocurrency and why I've chosen to do what I've done here with crypto. I think this is a really awesome space, and I really do like Crypto.com, but who knows, anything can happen, and right now, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you think is going to happen next for Crypto.com? Are you a CRO holder? Thanks again for watching this video. Smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in our next videos. Stay tuned. If you want to continue learning with me here on YouTube for free, check out my cryptocurrency playlist. I have multiple 100x gem videos, 3 coins to 3 million, educational tutorials, and so much more. And make sure to check out the next video. I handpicked it just for you.